Hey you guys, it's KTW, and this is my new version of the Awesome Auto Furnace. This one's set to iron, which generally requires you to put your fuel in 2022, I think, in here. You technically only need one, but more helps, I guess. But, yeah. Same thing over here with the iron. It'll only accept iron. And as you put it in this one, it'll load it into the top part of the furnace, which will smelt it. And then after it gets cooked, it'll be loaded out into the droppers, which will power this clock, which will then power these torches that stagger upwards and deliver your product right in here. You got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3, and 2. One's already burning. And there's your product. That's pretty much this. All for the proof, that is. You want to start one higher than ground level. Build a plus with an extra block there, and take out the middle. Place 2 repeaters facing this side. A square of redstone dust. Need a comparator. Right there. Okay. Add torches right here. Build out a couple blocks. Make a little square there. And place 4 filters into these 4 blocks. Well, not like that. Like this. Okay. And you'll put your chest right up here. And 2 droppers on the bottom of that. Get your furnace. Place it right there. Which, I don't think it really matters which direction you put that in. But, yeah, that helps, I guess. Anyway, place a block here, 2 blocks here, 1 block up like that, and place your droppers 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and 1 towards this, and you want to put a hopper into your chest. I generally just put 2 hoppers just for looks. Anywho, then you stagger your blocks like so. Okay, you have them in that design now. So get to placing. There's a comparator there, comparator on there, a repeater on 4 ticks, and 4 redstone dust like this. This will become your clock. Add 3 ticks to that, and add in your torches like this. The first one goes on the side and the top of the block, and then you just place them on the sides of the block on the inside. Well, actually, the top one here is redstone dust. And I think that's it. Should be it. And last but not least, well, actually, I did forget to put the hopper into the furnace, or the hopper into the dropper, which it's kind of necessary. Anywho, after you do that, you want to load your items in here. You want 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you want 22 in your first hopper. Want 1 in your second hopper. And that should be it. Just do that with your materials in the right hopper. And your coal or whatever material in the left hopper. Sorry, I'm kind of tired. That's all there is to that. Anyway, let's make sure this is empty. Yes. Place 2 coal and 3 iron ore. Well, apparently there had to be a piece of coal in this too. So, yeah. Either way, that'll power that. And you'll get your product just like so. And that is the Awesome Auto Furnace. At least, that's what I call the Awesome Auto Furnace. You may call it whatever you want. You can hide it, or make it a little bit less eyesore if you want, by hiding it like so. Well, not like that. Let's block like that. Do that, and voila. You just kind of walk up and put your stuff in, and there you go. And just to be 100% certain, put 3 in there. 1, 2, 3 in there. Should have 2 right here and 3 right there. That is good. And like if you like it, don't if you don't. Have a good one. It's been me, I've been me, and you've been you. Have a wonderful night.